What's up? So as a business owner, whether a photographer, videographer, UX designer, developer, whatever it is, especially if you're beginning out or even if you're transitioning, it's important that your productivity meets your value and then eventually meets your monetization process. And so on today's episode, I just want to share with you some top 3 apps that I feel that every business owner should have. First on the list is WhatsApp, or let's say WhatsApp Business. I prefer WhatsApp Business because it gives you that business edge. Now you can add labels to contacts, you can save messages, you can save away messages, you can do a lot of tweaking through the settings, the notifications, your groups, and the cherry on top is that you can actually advertise using meta advertising tools. And these are some of the videos that I share on my channel. You can check it out for more and then get abreast with it. I think WhatsApp Business helps you streamline your marketing objectives, where you can add services with their pricing, their details, and people can easily add to cart. It's pretty straightforward. So that is for WhatsApp. The second platform I would recommend is Canva. Now, yes, you need to work on a lot of visuals for your business, whether still graphics or videos or audio visuals, whatever it is. Now, Canva is really intuitive. Yes, those days when I was starting out, a lot of people looked down on Canva, but I should say that they have centralized a lot of content creation processes. So if you want to do text to voice or voice to text, text to speech, those are the audio parts. If you want to work on videos, especially if you're on Pro, you're going to get a lot of good videos that are inbuilt into the system. If you're looking for premium images, stock footages, they are all there. If you're looking for elements, icons, fonts, text, even templates, that's one of the cherry on top with Canva. And you don't need to learn design or know design from the scratch. You can actually go there, see templates, merge a couple of things, fix things how you want, and then use them as you want. And I think it's very ideal. It now packed with a lot of AI tools whereby you don't need to go onto another platform and look for them. You can do all that within the Canva app. Another good thing is it has the mobile app, it has the desktop, and then it's also browser based. So once you log in using one account, it synchronizes across all your devices. So you can use it on your phone, your iPad, or your MacBook, wherever you are, however you want. So that is Canva. The final one has to do with ChatGPT. Now, even if you're on the free plan, there's a lot of things that ChatGPT can help you do. And for me, I've synchronized and I've compressed it all into 3 major factors: work faster, work smarter, and then collaborating better. So I'm able to do a lot of things faster. Of course, you need to learn how to write the prompts very well so that you don't sound generic or you don't sound like everyday person. So it's important to understand ChatGPT as an AI tool and use it as a tool and not let it use you. Another good thing that I love about ChatGPT is the fact that whenever you write the prompt very well, at the end of their queries, at the end of their responses, they would ask me that, would you want me to do A, B, C, E, F, G? And that thought process alone is enough to get something done very well. Okay, and it's interesting that you can use it to convert files, you can use it to generate QR codes, you can use it to analyze files and give you summaries, give you analysis. It can write your projects for you. Like, there's a lot to what ChatGPT can do. I've done some of it on the channel. You can check it out for yourself. And I just thought to share these things with you. We don't gatekeep over here. And I'll see you in the next video. If you have any ideas, comments, questions, do want to let me have it in the comment section, or you can reach me on Instagram and TikTok at Perry Tintin. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, adios.